Watch on to learn the easiest ways to delete tables from Google Docs. Deleting a table on a computer. Open your Google Doc in a web browser. Right-click the table. This opens a menu with several options. Select Delete Table. This removes the table from your Google Doc and all of the info it contains. If you're just deleting a row or column, select Delete Row or Delete Column as needed. Deleting a table and keeping the text. Highlight the table with your mouse or trackpad. Press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This cuts the table from the document. Right-click the document and select Paste without formatting. You should now see just the text from the table without its original cell borders and columns. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.